Now the Wicked Dog Days by Jeff Kinney. I like this book because at first Greg's mom says you need to go outside and play, so Greg went outside. Then Greg sees if he can go to his friend's Rowley and going into the pool. Next, Rowley and Greg go to Rowley's dad's house and Greg dies off the diamond and loses his pets. This little girl in the book stole Greg's pets. Last, Greg's dad gets a dog that's called Sweetie, but once across the dog's wedding. Read this book if you like Dial the Wicked Kid. Bye.